Sawadee. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Let's take a look at the ingredients, see what we have, okay? Garlic, shallot, kaffir leaf, fresh chili pepper, vegetable oil, fish sauce, chicken flavor, oyster sauce, sugar, spring onion, lemongrass, and eel. This is Phuk-E-Lerd. That's all we have. Okay, after I slide everything, and then I'm gonna go ahead seasoning the eel, okay? So what I have here, I have the eel that I cut, slide them, and then I have the chicken flavor, a pinch, and salt, seasoning a little bit. I'm gonna have to deep fry the eel first, okay? So that way it tastes better. Deep fry เอี้ยวก่อนเพราะว่าบ่อยากให้มันคาวเนาะเอี้ยงนี่นะจืดซะก่อน Hom. You know, all the herb that I put is good for you, and the eel is very good. See? Yummy. Now you need sticky rice or jasmine rice. Okay? Hom. Let me taste. See what this tastes like. ต้องกินด้วยมือ See? Mmm. เนื้อหวานนุ่ม Spicy. แซ่บเดี๋ยวจะกระดูก Very good แซ่บหลายแซ่บหลาย Okay if you like my video hit like and subscribe okay and I see you next video thank you for watching see you next time bye ลาก่อน